Hello, everyone.
Hit it!
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a how to make DIY video. All right, y'all. So I have one thing. I'm going to show y'all a DIY, but I'm also going to show y'all some glue that I got for those of you who will be making these earrings to sell. Now, I was in Walmart the other day and I ran across this right here. This is Gorilla. This is made by Gorilla Glue. And it's Super Glue Precise Gel. Now, the project that I'm going to show y'all how to do tonight or morning or noon, whenever you are watching this, if you decide to sell these earrings, make sure that you have some type of glue or adhesive that is going to keep your gemstones on, okay? So for those of you who have been following me and saw a video that I did 2 days ago, which was Friday, I showed you all two different types of DIYs. This was one of them, and then I showed you the one with the ring bases, blanks. I did that video yesterday, so today I'm coming to you all with a DIY on this right here. Now, what I want to say, I got this from Walmart. Okay, I got this from Walmart. Now, I'm sure you can get stickers from anywhere. You can go to Joann's Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, anywhere and get stickers. But I got these from Walmart, and Walmart does sell these on a regular. So I have already opened up one of my carts already. And I'm actually, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be blinging up a hoop earring. Okay, this is my card. Now, this is what I want to say. For those of you who make a decision to sell these, you will have to use some type of super glue, adhesive, or whatever you have in order for these gems not to completely stay on permanently. Now, when you decide to do that, you have to remove the stickiness off completely. So as you can see, this don't have any stickiness on it, okay? Now, the earring that we're going to be dressing up is going to be one of these hoop earrings. Now, this you can get from your 99-cent store, any store that sell these hoops. You can find these, okay? Now, you will have to get a pair that is thick, that have a nice thickness to it, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and get on into the video. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off one strip of my bling. Now, when you're taking it off, try to be gentle with it and try not to touch the sticky part, if at all possible. It's impossible, but I'm just saying, okay? You want to flip it over because you got to figure out how you want these on your earrings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on the inside. So I'm going to put a sticker on the inside, and I'm going to place one on the outside of my earring. So what you want to do, now my hands are going to be in the way, so just bear with me, as you want to take your bling and you just want to set it on the inside like this. And as you are setting it, you try to press down to keep it in place on the inside. It's easier to do this on the outside than the inside, okay? And then you just work your way around. Wait a minute. Now that turned, so you got to work your way around just like this. Hope you all can see where I am going at with this. Okay. And you get it in there. Now, like I said in the very beginning of this video, if you make a decision to sell these earrings, you have to make sure that you use some type of adhesive that is really going to keep this on. Now, see, this is a sticky back. So by it being a sticky back, it's not permanent, okay? It will eventually fall off. You do not want to give somebody something and you don't want to sell something to somebody and they buy it and they fall completely off. So that's why I said that if you do buy these to sell, make sure you have some super adhesive, okay? So I have to put a couple of more on, because now I'm going to take off about maybe 4 of these, and I'm going to pinch it just like that. And I probably only needed 3, but it's all good. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to show y'all how I am creating these. So I basically only needed 3 more. So I'm going to take this off, pinch this off. Wait a minute, there you go. Okay. And I'm just going to squeeze these down to make sure that the adhesive is sticking just like this. Okay, so this is basically what it's going to look like on the inside. Now, like I said in the beginning, if you make these to sell, even for yourself, and you want these to stay on, you're going to have to use something, and then you just put them on one by one on the inside. And this here is awesome. This stuff is awesome. So I'm going to show you how to do the second one, which is the outer part. And the outer part, you're going to need more than 1 strip. So, actually, no, same amount. And you do this the same way, but this is so much easier to do. All right, see? The outside of it is easier than the inside. So you can do it 1 or 2 ways. You don't necessarily have to put some in the inside. You can put it just on the outside of it. But I just thought that the look would be different, and I'm going to show y'all what I mean. Because I did one earring that's larger than this one. Okay, and then I'm going to come around here, and I'm just going to finish filling this in. Put that right there. And finish making my way just like this. And then when you get to the top, you just pull this off like that. Okay. And you have yourself a real cute pair of earrings. But like I said before, see these? Now I'm going to show you the one that I did. This is the bigger one. that I did. I did it. This is my prototype. I actually did it on this first because I wanted to show y'all. I wanted to make sure that I had it right myself. But this is not glued in. This is it's got the adhesive on it. This one has the adhesive on it, and of course this one. But like I said in the beginning, if you make a decision to sell these are, look at these. These are gorgeous. Now I know y'all have seen these type of earrings in the store before. Now the ones that they sell in the store, they are glued on. Okay, this just have some adhesive, some sticky backs, but the sticky back that's on here is not permanent, and I just want to keep stressing that, okay, because I don't want y'all to do it and then you say I made these, it fell apart. If you're making them for yourself, please make sure that you use some glue. Okay, so this is the end result to these earrings, and these are some really cute hoop earrings, as you can see. Okay, and like I said, if you make a decision to sell these, please make sure that you use some type of adhesive while applying these onto the track of the hoop. Okay, so with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all so very much for watching. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like, and a share. Excuse me. And if this is your very first time coming here to this platform, please subscribe. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. And until the next one, peace and blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.